week and in the weeks after, yung foreign policy, geopolitics, wag na muna natin i-take up ngayon. Tsaka yung House probe. Antayin muna natin yung next House hearing. Kasi kulang pa yung mga sinasabi doon for me to answer. So, antayin muna natin yung House hearing before we talk about the House probe. And then sa Quad Committee, hindi pa naman nila nasasali yung pangalan ko doon. But I heard na gusto nilang isali yung